Well, I think, no questions in terms of what did the trick for the market. It's a combination of Reliance Industries, ITC and Bajaj Finance. I mean, those three names in the last about 40 minutes. The rally started about 240 or so, and it never stopped. We're up 90 points on the Nifty, and I think about 50 points, basically. The incremental addition came from just these three names in the last 40 minutes of trade. So that's the market for you. The mid-cap and small-cap indices end higher, but they were higher when we started as well at 230. So there was nothing incremental there, but the real change came through on the Nifty index. Banks also, by the way, when we started at 230, that index was doing well. It was up 0.5% or so, but not so much the Nifty. And there, these stocks that I mentioned made all the difference. 19,843 on the Nifty. We'll run you through many stocks. 1,400 stocks higher and 900 stocks lower. So market breadth clearly positive as well. Rima.
NTPC is your top Nifty gainer after that Goldman Sachs report. So that surged in trade. Innocent Banks, who are buying, posted its numbers. Stock higher by close to about 2%. On the losing side, you had HUL. Numbers are tomorrow, but the stock closes a bit subdued. That's down 0.5%. TCS came in for correction for the second day in a row. And a couple of the auto names. Autos have had a fantastic first half, but over the last few days, names like Hero MotoCorp, Bajaj Auto, Maruti, Eicher Motors, they have been struggling a bit. But I think still the auto index would be one of the best performing indices for the year so far.
Absolutely, autos have had a great ride. But today, of course, it was more about some of the power names, like you mentioned, NTPC. Just very quickly talking about some of the movers and shakers in terms of the news flow. Polycab has added another 4.5% today, so big mover there. KEI is the other one that managed a pretty good show for itself. Talking about some of the key names beyond news. Then here we have Titagarh Rail Systems. The gain is almost 11%. And news is really a brokerage note. HSBC sounding very optimistic. Their starting price target was above 700 on the stock. And today Titagarh's closed at 600. SJVN obviously on the Goldman Sachs report reacting quite well. Some of the rice makers have had a good session today. KRBL, LT Foods doing pretty okay for themselves. PNB, Indian Hotels, some of the other names on the upside. So not a bad day for mid-caps either. All in all, we are ending with a near 100-point rally on the Nifty right at the day's high. And the mid-cap index also looking quite smart with a 0.7% increase. So a good-looking green screen and a day that belongs to the bulls.
With that, it's a wrap on Closing Bell from the entire team. Thank you for watching. Don't go anywhere. Our special offering, Mad About Markets, comes up next.